Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix disabled Instagram ad account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Instagram, and once you're inside here, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal bars on the top right corner of the screen. And once you're inside, tap on settings and privacy. And once you're inside settings and privacy, scroll down to the bottom, and there you'll find help option. Tap on that. And once you're inside help, here tap on the option that says support requests. And once you're inside support requests, there are three options: reports, violation, and monetization support. Simply tap on violations, and once you tap on violations, here you'll be able to see what is the reason that your Instagram ad account has been disabled. And once you tap on that and tap on appeal and follow the process, your Instagram ad will be fixed. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.